Namaste. In this video, let's discuss how to create a company. Here is the gateway of Tally. Above on the left hand side, you can see company or Alt K is the shortcut key. Just press on create. Here you can select the path either by specifying the path. Specifying the path is nothing but, let's say, this is the location. We'll just go to here and I'll select accounting for business. In this, I'll select tally. I want data to be saved here. So here, I'll just click. Now you can see there is a path. Just copy that and go to tally and paste it over here. Press enter. By this, you have selected the path. The other way is just select from device, click on it, and select the drive from where you want to select. Here I'll select N drive. In the N drive, I'll select accounting for business, and the under accounting for business, I'll select Tally 5. So press enter. This is how you can select the path where company data is going to save for all your transactions. Now, with this, the company name. Here I can give, let's say I am the freelancer, the manager who has assigned me some work, or the client who has assigned me some work. I'll enter the client name for the remembrance of the or relative for whose data is this, which company's data is this. It's like a pet name, and the mailing name is nothing but on which name you want the data should be maintained, or in which name you want to print the invoices. That is the name you are going to give as a mailing name. I'll just enter Babu as a company name, and in the mailing name I'll select data from here, and I'll maintain this as a base data for company creation. I'll select the name and I'll go to tally. I'll paste it over here. And the address again, I'll follow the same. I'll go to the data. I'll copy the address here. Copy this and paste it over address. If you press enter, you will get a additional line. Let's say that's all the address. Then press again enter so that it will continue for the next state. Select Karnataka and pin code is 560001 and telephone number 560001. Enter telephone number if whatever the business telephone number you have to enter, and fax, email address, website. Here, financial year beginning from. Current financial year is 1st April 2025 to 31st March 2026. Let's say our business started on 1st November. So I'll enter the data 1st 1st November 2025. Press enter, select the base currency, symbol and formal name. Just accept. Now, this is the company created successful, and this is the functions or main features which you want to select enable to the tally so that you can use while entering the data. Let's say we want to maintain an account, yes, and enable bill wise entry, yes, and here. Maintain inventory, yes. Integrate accounts with inventory, yes. And rest, I'll just select GST, yes, and select the basic required data and enter the GSTN number. Go to here, then GSTN number, monthly. Let's say the business started on, let's say this is the existing business. Then you have to select whenever the financial year is beginning from. Let's say then it will be books beginning from will be same as financial year beginning from. Two kinds, one existing business and new business. If it is new business, the day on which the business starts, that will become the books begin from. If it is existing business, then financial year beginning from same date will be the books beginning from. And the rest I'll keep it as a no. Whenever it be required, we'll enable and we'll explore the features. With this, we have